how to read 4-digit and 5-digit number. We have already learned it in the last class. In 3rd standard, we learned about the 3-digit numbers. In 4th standard, we learn about the 4 and 5-digit numbers. How to read 4-digit number, how to read 5-digit number, how to write 4-digit number, how to write 5-digit number. We have learned it, right? So I'm once again telling you, I'm trying to recalling it. Now, I'm writing one number here. You are supposed to read that number. Okay, come on. The number is in front of you, children. Read this number. How will you read this number? Respond to the chat box. How will you read this number? How will you read this number? The number is in front of you. Nobody will be responding other things here. Now, focus on the main screen and respond whatever teacher will be asking you here. So I have asked you one question here, that read this number. The number is in front of you. How will you read this number? 8765. How will you read this number? Adarsh Yadav has given the correct response. Very nice, Adarsh Yadav. Very good. How you'll be reading this number? That is my question. Respond to the chat box. Arnav, Prathamesh, Shinde, Veda Jadhav, Prapti Chauhan, Churender, Tanishka. Okay, that's good. You're giving correct responses. Very nice, children. Very good. Everyone. Everyone. Okay, let me check whatever you have responded. Let me see that whether you have responded correct or not. Let me see it. Okay, so 8,755. Prathamesh Shinde, that is not 55. I think that is 65. Adarsh Yadav, 8,765. It's not 65, it's 65. Okay, it is 65. Okay, 8,765. That's the correct answer. 8,755. Okay, by mistakenly, no problem, Prathamesh. हर एक से गलतियां होती हैं. That is not the big thing. Mistake, it is the first step of learning. So don't worry about that. 8,765. It is the correct answer. Mayank Ambedkar, Vaidehi Kalvankar, then Arohi Kalvankar, Alankrita Borhade, 8,765. This is the correct answer. Absolutely. तो अभी कुछ कुछ जो स्टूडेंट्स है उनको अभी नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसे इनको रीड करना है. ओके, आई विल जस्ट टेल यू वन थिंग. 8765. This is the number I have given to you. The number was given, this number, 8765. So how to read this number? This is the big question. How to read it? First of all, read करने से पहले हमें उनको जो उनके places है, numbers के जो places है उनको लिख के लेना है. That means unit, tens, 100, and what comes after 100? That is 1000. TH. 1000. Right? Now, according to the places of the numbers, we'll be writing the numbers in that particular places. That means 5, it is there in the last then after 5 that is 6 in tens place, 6 in tens place, then 7 at 100 place, and after 7 there is 8 at 1000 place, 8 is at 1000 place, correct? So this way we have written it. अभी कैसे लिखना है, नंबर को कैसे रीड करना है? नंबर रीड करते वक्त यहाँ पे विल बी स्टार्ट राइट, ओके। नंबर्स को रीड करते वक्त हम कहां से शुरू करने वाले हैं? फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड, it from the left side. So from left side, which is the first number from left side? This is 8. The number from left side, that is 8. 8 का प्लेस कौन सा है? 1000. नंबर को बोलना है और उसके प्लेस को बोलना है. This is number 8 and this is place 1000. Correct? Number 8 and place is 1000. तो अभी सीधा लिख के डालो. 8 नंबर लिखा हमने यहाँ पे पहले, 8 और उसका प्लेस क्या है? 1000. So we'll be writing 8000. 8000. Okay. 8000 के बाद भी दूसरा नंबर कौन सा है? 7. लिखो, 7 लिखो, SEVEN, 7 लिख लिया. 7 का प्लेस कौन सा है? 100. 700 लिखो, 100 यहाँ पे, 700. ओके. 700 के बाद में नंबर कौन सा है? 6. लिखो 6 यहाँ पे, लिख दिया 6. उसका प्लेस कौन सा है? T. T यानी कि टेंस. तो हम 60 कैसे लिखते हैं हम लोग? हाउ डू वी राइट 60? SIXTY 60. Correct? SIXTY 60. And which is the last number? 5. 5 सिंगल नंबर है तो हम उसको डायरेक्टली 5 लिखेंगे. 60 के बाद में 5 सिंगल नंबर, so we'll be writing 5 here as it is. So very simple. हमने पहले क्या किया? नंबर को लिखा, देन उसके प्लेस को लिखा. हमने पहले नंबर को लिखा, देन उसके प्लेस को लिखा. That means 8000. पहले प्लेस 8, पहला नंबर 8 था, वो 8 हमने लिखा, उसका प्लेस 1000 था, तो we wrote 1000 there. That means 8000. Then the number was 7, so we wrote 7 here. Then the place of 7 was 100, so we wrote 100 here, 700. After 7 there was the number 6, so we wrote 6 first. And what was the place of 6? It was T, that means tens. So we write 60. 60. 60. How do we write 60? SIXTY. This is 60. We wrote 60. And after 6, there was a number 5. 5 is a single number. It's a 5 unit. We call it 5 unit. So unit के number को हम लोग as it is लिखते हैं. So we wrote 5 as it is here. Right? So that is why this number is 8765. नंबर को लिखना है, उसके प्लेस को लिखना है. Then next number को लिखना है, उसके प्लेस को लिखना है. Next number को लिखना है, उसके प्लेस को लिखना है. It is very simple. Simple. It is very, very simple. Just we have to write the number and place. Number and place. 8765. 8765. It's very simple. Simple or not, children? I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि कैसे आपको रीड करना है. सिंपल है या नहीं है? Respond through the chat box. Is it simple or not? अगर सिंपल है तो B टाइप with B. और अगर सिंपल नहीं है, आपको अगर हार्ड लगता है तो जे टाइप करो. If it is simple, then please type B for ball. If you think that this is not simple, then please type Z. If it's simple, please type B for ball. If it's not simple, please type Z in the chat box. Okay, B. Simple है ना बहुत? Maths is a very simple subject. I'm telling you, maths is very simple. सब सारे subjects से simple तो maths है. Maths में आपको कुछ बाहर ही नहीं करना होता है, right? ना ही कोई सवालों के जवाब आपको बाहर करने होते हैं, ना ही कुछ आपको बहुत बड़ा आंसर लिखना होता है. So it is very simple. But पूरा मैथ सिंपल है. फ्रॉम फर्स्ट टू 10th 12th आप जहां तक भी सीखेंगे मैथ्स के साथ में, पूरा मैथ सिंपल है. बट हमें वो समझ के लेना पड़ेगा. अगर हम समझ के नहीं लेंगे, समझने के बाद में उसको प्रैक्टिस भी बहुत सारा करना है. समझने के बाद में प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो हम लोग भूल जाएंगे, राइट? सो इन मैथ्स understanding is important. At the same time, practice is very important. If you will not practice, then you will be forget all the concepts and you will find maths difficult. Okay, you will find maths difficult. और जितना ज्यादा आप मैथ्स में प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, उतना ज्यादा मैथ्स आपको इजी लगेगा. बिकॉज मैथ्स इज अ वेरी इजी सब्जेक्ट. आपको ईवीएस में क्वेश्चन बाहर करने होते हैं, आपको मराठी में क्वेश्चन से बाहर करने होते हैं, आपको हिंदी में क्वेश्चन से बाहर करने होते हैं, इंग्लिश में बाहर करने होते हैं, या फिर इंग्लिश के जो पैसेज होते हैं उनको समझना होता है, बड़े आंसर्स लिखने होते हैं, राइट? So in compare with all the other subjects, whether it's EVS, EVS1, EVS2, Marathi, Hindi, English, any other subject, maths is easier than any other subject which you have. But for that you must have to practice a lot for the maths. And the much more you will practice, your IQ level will be increased, your intelligent quotient will be increased, your logical thinking will be increased, your brain power will be increased, because maths is just for that. Why we are learning maths here? Why we are learning maths? To increase our brain power, to increase our logical thinking, to increase our IQ level, intelligent quotient level. That's why we are learning maths here. So if you want to be the intelligent person, if you want to develop your brain power, your logical thinking power, then you must have to practice maths a lot. Okay? Yes, absolutely, Manasvi and all the children, maths is very, very, very easy subject. I'm telling you. बस आप क्या करते हो ना, आपके टेबल्स याद नहीं रहते तो आपको लगता है कि यार मैथ्स बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. आपके टेबल्स याद नहीं होते तो आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं आता है. आपके टेबल्स याद नहीं होते तो आपको डिवीजन नहीं आता है. और अगर आपको एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन नहीं आता है तो आपको आगे का कोई मैथ्स नहीं आएगा. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? आपको अगर आगे के सारे जो मैथ्स की प्रॉब्लम्स है, whether it's in a 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then further education, graduation, if you're doing in maths, all the steps of the standards, all the content, all the syllabus of maths is very easy. Just one thing we have to do, we have to practice maths a lot. And as I said that if you practice maths a lot, your logical power will be increased, your brain power will be increased, your IQ level, your brain will be developed there. Okay, so it's a humble request to all of you, please practice maths a lot. Practice makes man perfect. You have learned a lesson in English, I think, in last year, whenever you were in 4th standard. What was that lesson? Do you remember that lesson name? What was that lesson? Respond through the chat box. What was that lesson? Practice makes man perfect. Respond through the chat box. What was the lesson name? What was the lesson name, children? Respond through the chat box. If you remember it, try to recall. It was not in maths. It was not in maths. It was in English. It was in English. और वो लेसन में आपने पढ़ा कि अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो आपको कोई भी चीज यहाँ पे आसान लगती है, आपको कोई भी चीज यहाँ पे हार्ड नहीं होती है. So which was the lesson which taught you if you practice a lot, then everything is possible? Yes, absolutely. I have received the correct responses from the children. I would like to call out the names of the children. The name of the child is Prapti Anchan. Very nice. It's a matter of practice. Very good. Tanishka has also given the correct answer. It's only the matter of practice. Astha Singh, Manasvi Mane, Prapti Anchan, Prathamesh Shinde, Sneha Wagdari, Parth Patil, Veda Jadhav, Manasvi Yadav, Tejaswini More, Tanishka, Sakshi Yadav, Adarsh Yadav, Lavanya Bharirav. Wow, good. Arnav Kamble. So all these children have given the correct answer. Wasim Hussain, good. Then Soham Mishra, Sakshi Mahajan, Nihal Sayyed, Swaranjali Desai. वेरी नाइस. आपको याद है मतलब कि आपने उस लेसन में क्या पढ़ा था? आपने पढ़ा था कि इंसान जितनी प्रैक्टिस करेगा उतना ही वो उस चीज में माहिर बनेगा. ओके, so keep this thing in your mind, children, that practice makes man perfect. So start practicing from today onwards. Okay, start practicing from today onward. Don't waste your time. By heart tables. Read every day for 2 hours. Okay, so इसी के साथ में हम लोग यहाँ पे रुकेंगे because our time has finished, children. This is time to say goodbye.